So make them wear. I hope I got my camera angle right, guys. If I don't, I apologize. I'll have to re-record the video, but I think I'm okay. Whoops. Trying to eyeball the axle right now. And then, like I said before, once I get it in there, I'll make sure that I got it right. And see, there's no play. No play, and the axle is spinning nice. Okay, next I want to go ahead and assemble this cassette, which means a zillion little bearings need to go on this thing. So, yes sir, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some grease in here. Put some grease here where those little tiny bearings go. Now, you know when you spin your back wheel, you hear that click, 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 click sound? That's all these little parts right here. Go ahead and put those in now. These are the springs for that. They go on this side. And then these are the little ratchets. And they go on this side. Sometimes it helps if you're a little ambidextrous when doing this. Also helps if you remember exactly how you took it apart. I would really suggest that if you don't have a good mechanical ability and a good memory on how things came apart, then take pictures. Taking pictures helps. For the most part, I'm really good at remembering when I'm working on something how it came apart in the first place. But every once in a while I shoot myself in the foot by not taking pictures. Okay, now, pardon me, hope you didn't hear that. When taking these, this style of cassette apart, or freewheel, I guess they're called freewheels nowadays, you want to be aware that there may be tiny little moving parts that are just waiting to be freed and roll all over the place, like these tiny little bearings right here. And especially if, you know, the grease is all gone and they dried out, because if they've dried out, good chances are they will roll everywhere when you get ready to take it apart. Like that one there, tried to get away from me just now. These ones I didn't count, but as long as you've got this, all the bearings here, and none got away from you, which I know none of them got away from me when I was taking this thing apart. Then you just got to make sure that they're in there and seated in that grease. If I can't get that guy to fit right, he's coming back out. But it fits. And like the sealed bearings, when you take those out and clean them up, you repack them. You kind of have to do the same with these ones. But like I said before, not too much grease, because too much and they won't roll right, and not enough, they'll wear out. Go ahead, put that back together. Awesome. Alright. So now, with all those bearings in place, now I'm going to put all these other ones in place. Like my Spanish music? I like it. Sometimes I like to be a little different. Listen to some different stuff.